Right, ladies and gents, on my last film I showed the RidgeMonkey well, insulated mug, getting on really well with it. Do like it, it's indestructible. Matt Tiny shot me this one. This is the original cup. I have another cup I sent off with the set. I've taken that into work because I've fed up with drinking like lukewarm coffee. But there's the old RidgeMonkey mug, industry standard. I really like it, I really get on with it. On that, when somebody said, Ed, where would I get hold of one of them mugs from the film, I had a little Google and I noticed that RidgeMonkey have upgraded it, and I really like this because now, whether you call it the China doll or the Russian doll, it's the communist doll. Yeah, this they've now made that goes inside of it. It's got its own lid, and the lid for the cup goes on top. So there is, ladies and gents, let your eyes be your guide. I paid me money for this. What a brilliant little idea, and I love the China doll effect because literally now that is a one-stop brew kit for not a lot of space and not a lot of cost. It was as you see it here, like I say, there is the cup comes with it, is in the order well under 20 quid. I can't remember the price now, I'll stick it on the screen. But there's the cup, we don't need to talk about that too much. That lid goes on there just so it's, you've got that there. And here we have is this now taking that lid off, which is on quite nicely. It fits and stays on quite nicely. I'm going to put a load of milk in there, okay, powdered milk, and then when you take that off, each one of these has its own lid. So you've got 3 pots now, and I'm just talking about for your day hikes and mooching about. Lovely in there, because that's the biggest one. That's going to have milk, and it's got its own top, and as you see, that fits, only fits on one way. And here again, these are really on nice and tight. It's two other receptacles, and I don't drink tea myself that often, so both of these are going to be full with coffee. Obviously you could have coffee in one and you know, tea bags in the other, tea bags in the top, you know, milk and coffee. Let your eyes be your guide, ladies and gents. But no, this is a as far as I'm concerned, a nice little bit of kit. Always give an honest review. I've got no problems with these lids nor that, and that fits on there. And it's the same with the new cup. When it's in there, I think that there is a seal around here, as we can see it there, that fits in there, that goes in, but it's not the tightest of fit. So I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm a little dab hand. I'm sure if I replace that with a decent elastic band or something, it would work. But I think that's something RidgeMonkey need to look at, because the last thing you want, I mean, if that comes out in your kit, nothing's going to happen. But ladies and gents, let your eyes be your guide. I'm quite liking this, because with that on there like that, that is your one-stop brew kit with an insulated mug, and it's virtually indestructible. I'm not going to be running it over with a car just to prove it's indestructible. Right, so there is a little minus point for it, always, and it's the same with the other mug. It's not like as tight as I would like it. I'd like that to be as tight as a Virgin's fanny. However, it's not. Am I going to get a bit monged off about it? I'm going to start slating the product? No, because all I need to do, and I probably would want to do it anyway, is get an elastic band and just put an elastic band around it. I've got a wide one, and that's it, ladies and gents. So I'm not going to trash the product. If anybody from RidgeMonkey's here, you need to look at this seal, make it a bit better. But other than that, ladies and gents, for a complete like brew kit all in one, grab and go, for under 20, you know, $20 or 20 quids, I like this. I like this, and it's a space saver.